Hi everyone, Cynthia here. I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own palm branch for this coming Palm Sunday. Because we can't be together, we're going to try to make our own palm branches and wave them from our homes, and so you'll know that everyone is waving them together. It's really simple to make this. You just need three things. You need glue, you need some scissors, and you need a piece of paper. Paper can be any color that you want. It doesn't have to be green. So whatever you have lying around the house, if it has writing on one side, that's great. So you're recycling. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Then you're going to fold it again. And then you're going to fold it again. So you fold it in half 3 times. Then you're going to open your last fold. So it looks like this. And then you're going to take each side and fold it into the middle. Take each side and then you fold it into the middle. So you have something that kind of looks like this. It's got 2 flaps. And when you open your piece of paper, you're going to cut each fold so you'll have 16 pieces of little strips of paper. And that's the main thing. You need 16 strips of equal pieces of paper. Put that to the side because I've already pre-cut some for this video. This one's orange. The main thing to do is that once you have your 16 pieces, take one of them and cut them in half so you have 2 shorter ones like this. And you're going to keep that to the side because that's going to be our stem of our palm branch. Take your first strip, fold it in half, and then fold it again so you have a little loop. So, oops, a little loop like this. And then you're going to glue the bottom of that loop together. So you take your glue. Try not to use too much glue. And you're going to glue it together so you have this little loop like this. Oh, a little more glue. I didn't use enough. There we go. Whoop. So it's going to be messy. You're going to have glue all over your hands, but that means you're doing a good job when you have glue everywhere. So you're going to have a little loop like this. Okay. Then you're going to take your next strip and you are going to fold it in half. And then you're going to take the 2 ends and you're going to glue them so you have kind of this bow shape like this. So put a bunch of glue in the middle. So again, you have these 2 kind of loops like a bow. Then you're going to take the other one you just made, and you're going to put that in the middle and glue that so it kind of looks like this. Or maybe you have so much excess glue that it just sticks, which is what's happening to mine. I'm going to add just a little more here on the bottom. So you have this kind of 3-fold little loop. So that's going to be the top of our palm branch. And the rest of it's pretty much the same thing over and over again. You take another one of your strips, you fold it, you put glue in the middle of the fold, you make another little bow, and then you glue it on to the bottom of the one you just made. So now there's 4. So kind of like a little mini tree thing going here. Don't be afraid to add more glue if you need it. Take another strip, fold it. Now this time it's a little different. So you're going to glue it on the bottom like this. So you kind of got this little flappy thing going. Oops. Got this kind of going. Then you're going to take it and bend it like this and glue it to itself down there on the bottom. Or again, because you've used so much glue, it's spilling over from the previous loops. And you make sure you have lots of glue on your finger. And so now, see, it's growing, it's getting bigger. I also find what helps is I have these little like chip bag clips like this to like squeeze it on the bottom. So that way it kind of gives it some more pressure to hold it like that. Then you're going to take another one of your strips. You're going to fold it. You're going to put glue in the middle. You're going to squeeze it onto the bottom like this. And then you're going to fold. Whoops. You're going to put some more glue. So now you've got more loops. And so you're going to do this with all the strips that you had, all 16 of them. And you keep doing it and you keep doing it until eventually it gets this big. When you've got the last one on, you're going to take your one that you cut and put to the side. You're going to glue it on to the bottom so it is, and you're going to double it. You're going to stick it on the bottom, fold it in half there, put the other one on. Again, you might have some excess glue, so it's just sticking on anyway, you don't have to add more. And so basically, that becomes your little stem to hold, and you have a palm branch, except yours will be much bigger than this once you put them all on. And that's what you're going to do. So you'll be using this on Sunday as we do our call to worship, and I want everyone to wave these in the air while they're home. And if you want to send us a photo of your completed palm branch, you can do that. You can post it on our Facebook page and just put a little photo that says palm branches at home. I will see you guys on Sunday online, and I hope we are all together in person soon. And until then, take care and be well.